Do you want me to get the squirt gun? The squirt bottle thing? I know.
There, I think that'll stay up, no matter what she does now. Just let her be. I mean, you're not going to train her in 10 days to stay out of the tree, honey. Let her be.
Okay. So, we've tied the tree to a hook in the ceiling.
It's probably taut enough.
So that Ninja,
Oh my.
she's going up to the top.
Oh dear.
She's gonna knock bulbs down.
Why don't you get a distant shot?
I think we should get a squirt bottle and squirt her out.
Just leave her be. She ain't gonna hurt nothing. She's gonna sleep in her.
Okay.